Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel and in this video I want to teach you how to change color of the note manually in Musescore 4. Okay, first click the note you want to change the color. See on the properties, you can change the place of the properties by drag and drop like this, or if you want to change in here, or if you want to change on the right, and then click the note. Okay, properties, click show more, and you can see on appearance, and you can change the color by clicking color and change to the color you want. And if you want to change the color to red, just click red, or like this. Look, it changed to the color you want. And if you want to change the Notehead, you can click this Notehead type and just like that. Look. Okay, if there's any question, please write on the comment below. See you on the next video. Bye.